Welcome to Byte-Vision YouTube channel. Android phone with Windows 7 Shimu app. Go to Play Store and download Windows 7 Shimu app. Install the app accordingly, then press play button to execute the app. Moment you press play button, Windows 7 Shimu app launch. Windows 7 loading screen will be initial. Now welcome to Windows 7 environment. Go to Computer and check your drive path. Click to Control Panel and check the All feature of Windows 7. Like Programs and Features and check Installed Application. Open Google Chrome browser and check Internet browsing site. Right-click and refresh feature, right-click and personalize and change the themes. Check Windows display and Windows resolution. Open CMD commands prompt and check the feature. Shut down the Windows 7 Shimu and its look like similar Windows 7 feature. Thank you for watching Byte-Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.